Yeah, so these are the plays I called last night to check out pre-market, and plays that I played. So I guess let's get started. So DKNG was DKNG was mentioned because they had earnings in the morning. Let's see. So yeah, they had earnings in the morning. I didn't actually play the earnings, um, even though I was pretty bullish on it. Instead, I wanted to just join the trend. So I joined the trend starting 4 a.m. because 4 a.m. is when I can start trading on Thinkorswim. So yeah, so if you look at it, 4 o'clock, that's when all the action happened. So I started joining here, and I just rode the trend. Yeah, I guess this is a better way to show it. The 1 day, 1 minute. But yeah, so that's when I just joined the trend for DKNG. I also called it LI because LI had earnings in the morning. Um, so yeah, even though LI's earnings was like way before 4 a.m., all the action started happening at 4 a.m. So yeah, that was something you could join as a trend. But yeah, so if you go in long here, pretty easy way to make money. But I guess it's kind of a scarier staircase. But yeah, so XPAV also moves with it, and Neo. If you check XPAV 4 to 4:30, you could also have went long, and you would have made money. But again, a little scarier staircase. I felt like Neo was the best or safe, like cleanest staircase, so that's what I ended up doing. So if you look at 4 o'clock to 5, it's a pretty big move. Like yeah, pretty big move. That's what I did, and then it was pretty easy to get Neo shares a short on Thinkorswim, so I also shorted it down. And then yes, usually 6 to 6:30. I don't really do much because I feel like I just get wrecked in the action, so I normally just avoid trading from this time, and it was not a clear trend anymore to me. Besides that, I called out PLTR and solo. For those weren't earnings plays or joining trends off earnings. Those were some things I just want to accumulate off dips because PLTR had earnings the day before. Yeah, so let's go to. So I had the day before, it went down, and then I knew there was going to probably be a big move from all this, like, you know, crazy action. So yeah, so I just wanted to pick up dips because this is something else I wanted uh, to go long in. So yeah, I picked up dips, and then you can see picking up dips worked out going long. Solo as well. Solo's been pretty wild the past few days, so I also wanted to pick up dips here to see if like there'd be action during the market, and yeah, there was pretty action. And then I think I sold around here. So yeah, those were plays I called out in the morning, and then I guess going to the actual day, I mostly just played Neo and Unity. So Neo, yeah, I guess let's see, let's go to the 1 day, 1 minute. So yeah, Neo. Let me pull up the other picture. So I bought Neo calls at first. Uh, yeah, so I bought Neo calls around 6:51. So you can see 6:51. It's like right here. So yeah, I went long from here 6:51. Made some money. Uh, After that, I saw this. So let me pull up this picture as well. After that, I saw this tweet. So I saw this tweet, and this started making me want to start shorting Neo. So I bought puts. So after I saw this was a 6:43. Yeah, I went. So then after that, I changed my position, and I started wanting to buy puts. So from there, let me show you the. so I bought Neo puts right here around 7:30 a.m. So around 7:30 a.m. I bought Neo puts, so I guess it's like right here. I bought Neo puts. Yeah, so I bought them for 517 Neo, and as you can see, it dropped a lot. So I think I also have a screenshot for how that kind of turned out. Or I mean, I believe it went to 11 per went to 11, but I didn't screenshot that. I think I have one when it went to 10. Let me check. But yes, I bought at 517, and here you go. So yeah, those ended up getting valued. Oh, those ended up getting valued there. Let me add the other image back. So you can kind of see, like, yeah, I bought it at 7:30, and yeah, it dropped a lot. Yeah, so you can see it went to at least 9.85, those puts. Besides that, I also had let's see, I also had Unity. So Unity had earnings the day before. Let me remove these photos, sorry. So Unity had earnings the day before. Yeah, and I had contracts for that, so it worked out for me. Pretty glad I actually bought contracts instead of shares for these earnings. But yeah, that's what I played today. Yeah, so the Neo puts were kind of the highlight of the day. Pretty crazy. Yeah, cool.